Okay, so we're going to look at the prompts for the price overrides, the prompt for the return reasons, and the prompt for the tax override. So these are the relevant options. We filtered on reason to indicate option 8414, 9379, and 9524. We also set up the tables. You'll see the tables below there, 8416, 9380, and 9525. So these the reasons we have on here are just our first swipe. I would expect the reasons would be modified. And Hillary, just click on the current value here to open up the table, if you would, on one of those where and then we'll edit this table. So those are user definable, and I would expect those need to be updated. Right now, these options are only in place for Hillary and Jenny just for demonstration purposes. So let's cancel that. And let's go to point of sale, please. And first of all, let's show the price override. So give me this SKU, and we'll use Control D, which is our current procedure. And notice, okay, so we'll timber. Okay, there you go, beauty. Notice the prompt that appears with the reasons we had set up in the table. So go ahead and select one of those. Those are required to move beyond this. And they're independent of the manager's overrides. Okay, so now let's have the same item, and then let's do a return on that item. And so notice the table indicating the reasons, and these are required, so one has to go through, and again, that's independent of the manager's override. And then finally, if we're in a store, yes, let's do an item as non-taxable. And Control T for the moment, and notice here are the reasons for the non-taxable. Now, go ahead and select a reason for me to go through. There's a related option. We've got a related document that's just slightly different. Go ahead and give me that item again again, if you would, and just give me a quantity of 1. And it may be that we want to use the ability to change a line item tax code. We'll talk about that independently. But that will indicate the prompt if we change an option, I think 3573, and we'll talk about that independently. So those are the 3 prompts for the price override, the prompt for the return reason, and the prompt for the tax override.